Last lecture we have discussed the fragmentation of the alcoholic compound, the fragmentation of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Now in this lecture we have discussed the fragmentation of the cyclic alcohol. Then consider the fragmentation of cyclic alcohol. Then what is the fragmentation pattern for the cyclic alcohol? The cyclic alcohol generally gives the strong molecular ion peak. The molecular ion peak for every cyclic alcohol are generally strong in nature. Then what is the possible way of fragmentation in cyclic alcohol? There is a three different way by which the cyclic alcohol undergoes the fragmentation. The first one is the alpha cleavage occurs to loss of hydrogen radical. By the alpha cleavage, the loss of hydrogen radical occurs and gives M-1 fragment ion peak. Then consider the first fragmentation. It is a cyclic alcohol, cyclohexanone. The cyclohexanone on electron bombardation, this on electron ionization, there is a formation of molecular ion peak take place. The molecular ion is formed. This molecular ion undergoes the loss of hydrogen radical. This loss of hydrogen radical occurs. It is alpha cleavage. By the alpha cleavage, loss of hydrogen radical occurs to produce this oxonium ion. There is a formation of oxonium ion. It is a M-1 fragment ion. This is the molecular ion fragment. From this molecular ion fragment, there is a loss of only one hydrogen occurs. There is a M-1 peak is appear in the mass spectrum of cyclic alcohol. This is the first mode of fragmentation for the cyclic alcohol. Local join This is the first way for the fragmentation mode for the cyclic alcohol. In the last lecture, we have discussing the fragmentation for the alcoholic compound, the simple straight chain aliphatic acyclic alcohol. Acyclic alcohols are three types: the primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol. Then the alcoholic compound generally undergoes the two most important fragmentation in acyclic alcohol. The alpha cleavage, the longest straight chain generally eliminate as a radical and formation of oxonium ion fragment take place. And another mode of fragmentation, the dehydration, the loss of water molecule. Then what is the fragmentation pattern for the cyclic alcohol? The molecular ion peak for cyclic alcohol are generally strong in nature. What is the possible mode of fragmentation for the cyclic alcohol? Cyclic alcohol undergoes the fragmentation in three different ways. The first mode of fragmentation is alpha cleavage. Through this alpha cleavage, the loss of hydrogen radical take place and use M-1 fragment ion. This is the oxonium ion. The carbocation is formed. This carbocation is well stabilized by electron donating resonance effect, and there is a formation of M-1 fragment peak is take place. Then what is the another mode of fragmentation? The another mode of fragmentation in cyclic alcohol is again alpha cleavage. The bond next to the hydroxy group, this bond next to the hydroxy group undergoes alpha cleavage. It is another way of alpha cleavage. Then we can show this type of this molecular ion. This bond and this bond, the oxonium ion is formed. This alpha cleavage takes place to buttes. There is a formation of oxonium ion, and this radical takes place. Then this radical undergoes this one 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 5 hydrogen shift. This, after the alpha cleavage, there is a formation of this oxonium ion. Radical cation is formed. It is a cation and radical. Radical cation is formed. The bond next to the hydroxy group undergoes cleavage. It is alpha cleavage, and there is a formation of radical cation takes place. This radical cation undergoes 1,5 hydrogen shift. It undergoes 1,5 hydrogen shift. There is a 1,5 hydrogen shift occurs. The radical generally shift. In this 1,5 shift, radical shift from the radical generally shift to the resonance stabilized this acronylium ion. Then this acronylium ion undergoes again the secondary fragmentation. It undergoes the secondary fragmentation with loss of propyl radical, and there is a formation of resonance stabilized acronylium ion is formed. It has mass to charge ratio 57. This is the another way of fragmentation in cyclic alcohol. Cyclic alcohol generally undergoes. Then we have discussed the fragmentation of a cyclic alcohol in last lecture. A cyclic alcohol undergoes fragmentation basically in two different ways: alpha cleavage, and another mode of fragmentation is another mode of fragmentation in a cyclic alcohol is a dehydration. The loss of water molecule gives M minus 18 fragment. The fragment ion is formed after the loss of water molecule which have mass less than 18 units from the molecular ion peak. This fragment is known as M minus 18 fragment. What is the possible way of fragmentation for cyclic alcohol? In cyclic alcohol undergoes fragmentation in three different ways. The first way of fragmentation for the cyclic alcohol is alpha cleavage to loss of hydrogen radical and use M minus 1 fragment ion B. The mass of this fragment ion is less than 1 unit from the molecular ion by loss of hydrogen radical. Another way of fragmentation in cyclic alcohol is alpha cleavage. This alpha cleavage, the bond next to the hydroxy group undergoes cleavage to use radical cation. This radical cation undergoes 1,5 hydrogen shift. The hydrogen from one carbon shift to the carbon number 5. It is a radical. This is homolytic fission. This radical and this radical combine. 1,5 hydrogen shift takes place. In this 1,5 shift, the migration of radical takes place through the conjugated position. This radical is conjugated to the oxonium ion. The shifting of radical occurs into the resonance stabilized oxonium ion. It further undergoes the loss of propyl radical. Homolytic fusion of this bond takes place to give resonance stabilized acronylium ion, and this acronylium ion fragment, it has mass to charge ratio 57. This is the second way of fragmentation. Consider the third way of fragmentation. It is the first mode of fragmentation. The third mode of fragmentation, the cyclic alcohol generally undergoes the 1,5, the hydrogen from 4 number position and hydroxy from 1 number position, 1,5, this 1,4 elimination. It undergoes 1,4 elimination. The loss of water molecule takes place to use this fragment ion. It have mass less than 80 units. These are the three possible way of fragmentation in cyclic alcohol. The first way is alpha cleavage, loss of hydrogen radical gives M-1 B. Another mode of fragmentation, alpha cleavage, it is another alpha cleavage, but the bond next to the hydroxy group, the carbon-carbon bond cleavage takes place. In first alpha cleavage, the breaking of the carbon hydrogen, this alpha bond takes place. In the second alpha cleavage, the bond next to the hydroxy group break to give use radical cation. This radical is not conjugated to this double bond. It undergoes further 1,5 hydrogen shift. The radical shift to the conjugated position of this resonance stabilized oxonium ion. It further undergoes loss of propyl radical to use this acrodium ion, the resonance stabilized acrodium cation. Their mass to charge ratio is 57. The third way of fragmentation is 1,4 elimination. The cyclic alcohol undergoes 1,4 or 1,3 elimination and loss of water molecule takes place to produce M-ATP. These are the three ways of fragmentation in cyclic alcohol. Then consider the example for the fragmentation in cyclic alcohol. Then consider the fragmentation example. This cyclohexanone, we consider this representative example for fragmentation of cyclic alcohol. It gives fragment ion at mass to charge ratio 100, 99, 82 and 57. Show the mechanism of fragmentation of these fragment ion. Then consider the first fragment is molecular ion peak. The oxygen have one pair electron. When this alcohol on interaction with high energy electron, it undergoes the loss of electron and there is formation of this molecular ion takes place. This radical cation is formed. This molecular ion is formed. This molecular ion have mass to charge ratio 100. This fragment ion at mass to charge 100, it is a molecular ion. This molecular ion undergoes loss of hydrogen radical. Consider this hydrogen. It undergoes alpha cleavage. This hydrogen radical eliminates in alpha cleavage process to give this oxonium ion fragment. This oxonium ion fragment have mass to charge ratio 99. It is a M-1 peak. Then consider the fragment ion at mass to charge ratio 82. The difference between molecular ion peak and the fragment ion at mass to charge 82 is 18. Is loss of water molecule occurs. This molecular ion undergoes loss of water molecule. 1,4 dehydration occurs. This hydroxychloride, this hydrogen eliminates, and there is a formation of this fragment. It is again radical cation. It is an odd electron fragment. It have mass to charge ratio 82. Then consider the another way of fragmentation. Then we already discussed. Then consider this molecular ion of alcohol. It undergoes the alpha cleavage. But in this alpha cleavage, bond next to the hydroxy group undergoes cleavage to give radical cation. There is a formation of radical cation take place. This radical cation in second step undergoes 1,5 hydrogen shift. It undergoes 1,5 hydrogen shift. The radical is shift in conjugated position. It is not conjugated to double bond, but by after the 1,5 shift, the hydrogen shift from carbon 1 to carbon 5. In this 1,5 shift, the radical goes to the conjugated position. This radical undergoes delocalization into this carbon oxygen double bond, and finally it undergoes the homolytic fission of this bond. This radical combine, and there is formation of this resonance stabilized acronium ion with loss of propyl radical, and this fragment ion have mass to charge ratio 57. Every cyclic alcoholic compound more than 4 carbon generally undergoes this alpha cleavage 1,5 shift and gives acronium ion fragment their mass to charge ratio is 57. These are the three mode of fragmentation for the cyclic alcohol. The first one is electron ionization to produce molecular ion, which have mass to charge ratio 100. It undergoes alpha cleavage, loss of hydrogen radical to give fragment ion, which have mass to charge ratio 99. It is M minus 1 way. The second way of fragmentation is dehydration. 1,4 dehydration occurs. The loss of water molecule to give the fragment ion, which have mass to charge ratio less than 18 unit atomic mass unit from the molecular ion is M minus 83. Their mass to charge ratio is 82. This is the fragment ion. And the third way of fragmentation, alpha cleavage of carbon-carbon bond. The bond next to the hydroxy group undergoes cleavage. Radical and cation is formed. This radical cation undergoes 1,5 hydrogen shift. By this 1,5 hydrogen shift, the radical shift to the conjugated position, and after that it undergoes this homolytic fusion of bond. The cleavage occurs to produce profile cation and resonance stabilized acroleum ion, which have mass to charge ratio 57. These are the three way of fragmentation in cyclic alcohol. Consider the another example. Then consider another cyclic alcohol. The cyclopentanol. Then consider this cyclopentanol. It gives the fragment ion at mass to charge ratio 86, 50, 85, 57. It is acroleum ion fragment. These are the 3 and 68. These are the 4 fragment these are the 4 fragment ion peak which is obtained in the mass spectrum of cyclopentanol. What is the mechanism? What is the structure of the fragment ion at the mass to charge ratio 86, 85, 68 and 57? Then consider the mechanism for fragmentation. Then consider the genesis or the mechanism to obtain the fragment ion at this mass to charge ratio. This cyclopentanol undergoes electron ionization. Cyclopentanol undergoes electron ionization. There is a formation of radical cation necklace. This radical cation undergoes alpha cleavage, loss of hydrogen radical. It undergoes alpha cleavage, loss of hydrogen radical to give M minus 1 fragment. It have mass to charge ratio 85, and this is the molecular ion fragment. It have mass to charge ratio 86. By electron ionization, the fragment is formed. This molecular ion is formed, which have mass to charge ratio 86. This fragment, this molecular ion undergoes further fragmentation by alpha cleavage, loss of hydrogen radical to produce this resonance stabilized oxonium ion, which have mass to charge ratio 85. This is the structure of fragment ion which have mass to charge ratio 85. Then consider the another, the fragment ion. It undergoes loss of water molecule. It undergoes the loss of water molecule to give odd electron fragment. It have mass to charge ratio 68. The difference between 86 and 68 is 18. It is M minus 18 fragment ion. The fragment is formed. Their mass to charge ratio is 68. And consider the last fragment ion. Their mass to charge ratio is 57. It is formed by. Then consider this molecular ion. It undergoes alpha cleavage. Bond next to the hydroxy group undergoes cleavage to give radical cation. In this case, 1,4 hydrogen shift occurs. In 6-member cyclic alcohol, 1,5 shift occurs. But in this case, it is carbon number 1, 2, 3, and it is carbon number 4. The hydrogen on carbon number 1 shift to the carbon number 4, 1 4 hydrogen shift occurs. 1 4 hydrogen shift occurs to gives. In this process, in 1 4 hydrogen shift, the radical which is a non-conjugated, by 1 4 shift, the radical goes to the conjugated position, which is a conjugated to this oxonium ion, and it further undergoes loss of ethyl radical, CH3CH2 radical. It undergoes loss of ethyl radical to gives resonance stabilized oxonium ion. It have mass to charge ratio 57. It gives resonance stabilized. It gives resonance stabilized the acrodium ion fragment which have mass to charge ratio 57. These are the two examples for the fragmentation of cyclic alcohol. We have considered the cyclopentanol and cyclohexanol, and this is the mechanistic pathway for the formation of fragment ion, this mass to charge ratio. These are the three mode of fragmentation for the cyclic alcohol: alpha cleavage, loss of hydrogen radical to gives M-1p. The another mode of fragmentation is another alpha cleavage. The bond links to the hydroxy group. Carbon-carbon bond undergoes cleavage. Radical cation is formed. This radical cation in 6-member cyclic alcohol undergoes 1,5 shift. In 5-member cyclic alcohol, it undergoes 1,4 hydrogen shift. In this 1,4 and 1,5 hydrogen shift, radical goes to the resonance stabilized position. It goes to the conjugated position to the oxonium ion, and after that it undergoes homolytic fission of bond. The cleavage of carbon-carbon bond gives ethyl radical in case of cyclopentanol and propyl radical in case of cyclohexanol. And another fragment ion is acrodium ion. Resonance stabilized acrodium ion is formed, which have mass to charge ratio 57. The 57 is the base peak in cyclic alcohol. That is a characteristic peak for cyclic alcohol. Every cyclic alcohol more than 4 carbons generally gives the fragment ion at mass to charge ratio 57. The fragment ion at mass to charge 57 is the acrodium ion fragment. It is a resonance stabilized. This oxonium ion is conjugated to carbon-carbon double bond. Due to high stability, due to the plus R effect, resonance stabilization. Due to the resonance stabilization, this is more stable, and due to the more stability, the peak for this alcohol generally, the peak for this fragment ion generally happen as the base peak in the mass spectrum of cyclic alcohol. Then we are discussing the fragmentation of acyclic alcohol and cyclic alcohol. Cyclic and acyclic alcohol. In acyclic alcohol, there is a two most important mode of fragmentation. The first one is alpha cleavage to gives again oxonium ion. Primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol, all alcohol undergoes alpha cleavage to gives oxonium ion. And another mode of fragmentation is dehydration. After the dehydration, there is a formation of alkene take place. This alkene further undergoes the secondary fragmentation, alpha cleavage, to gives allyl carbocation fragment ion. And in cyclic alcohol, these are the three possible mode of fragmentation. The first one is alpha cleavage, loss of hydrogen radical. Another one is alpha cleavage, carbon-carbon single bond to gives oxonium ion, radical cation is formed. This radical cation undergoes 1,5-1,4 hydrogen shift. The shifting of radical occurs from non-conjugated to conjugated position, and further it undergoes loss of ethyl or propyl radical to gives resonance stabilized acrodium ion, which has mass to charge ratio 57. This is the second way of fragmentation, and consider the last way of fragmentation for the cyclic alcohol is dehydration. Now we will stop here. In the next lecture, we have discussed the fragmentation of aryl alcohols and phenolic compound.